Yo, people, what is good? What is happening, bro? What is happening? What is happening? Made about $47. I know it doesn't sound like much, but slow motion is better than no motion. That's all I'm saying, bro. All I'm saying. Anyway, I took a bit of an L, I won't lie, because I forgot to delete an order. I saw a setup, right? Then I put my, okay, price is pushing down. Let me just put my buy limit at a place where I would have entered. Because I kind of almost missed it. Thank God I did. And then it continued pushing down. Okay, let me just explain it using the chart. I don't know why I'm trying to explain it into the camera. But yeah. So this is the charts. This is what I marked up, right? Price pushed down 9 o'clock, gave us a huge ass gap, juicy ass gap, broke these buyers, continued pushing lower, right? So I saw a setup. I thought it was tapping into these gaps. See, there's gaps. There's a gap here, gap here. Okay, I'll just delete. Let me just start from scratch. Okay. So there was that gap, and there was that gap, right? Fine. Price pushed down. I'm like, okay, probably wants to fill in these gaps, and then continue pushing higher. Then we scaled to the 5-minute, waited for price, and I saw that, okay, you know what? Wait. Yeah, I'll call it back. So I saw that price manipulated to the upside here, right? Then it shot down. Had a liquidity sweep on this high, and then it immediately, the entry point would have came from this candle, and this was like off of open, but I just wasn't sure if I should take it, but I guess yeah, like I could have. So there was this inversion here that I could have taken. So I could have entered off of this actually, right? And then target these guys. But my problem is, it's like, oh, my reason why I didn't take it is because the gap was like right here. So it could have just, because look at this rejection. This would have probably scared me. I would have been in, but then if it didn't inverse, then I could have just continued holding. But I guess these were obvious draws in liquidity, so I could have taken it. So that's something I realize now. Okay, price moving to the upside and it's pushing towards another drawn liquidity. I can take it, but it just didn't seem right to me. But I'm not right. Yeah, it didn't seem right, so I didn't really take it. But it's okay though. So okay, fine. I'm expecting it to bounce off of these levels, right? Inverse off of these high time frame liquidity fair value gaps, and then we'll take it. So this candle came, then then it started pushing. It pushed up, then it pushed, and then I saw it whilst it was pushing down. I'm like, okay, let me put my buy limit here. So this was going to be my entry, if anything, here. Then stops below here. Then it just continues shitting the bed some more. I'm like, okay. And then I forgot to delete the order. I don't know why I didn't, because it's like, okay, price is clearly not moving that way. And then this candle wicked me in. I'm like, fuck, I forgot that I left this thing, bro. Then it started pushing down. Then I closed somewhere here with the loss. Luckily didn't get to my stop loss. So I'm like, okay, clearly these gaps are not what we're looking for. So price does not wanna push higher. I guess it is in a downtrend now because it did break a price level. So yeah, so then I'm like, okay, fine, how can I find a continuation off of this? What am I looking for? And that's when I started marking these gaps. So we had this fair value gap marked out here. So I took that loss. I'm like, fuck, you know what? That's my fault. I should have paid more attention. Fine. So we had that gap, and then we had this one, right? So okay, fine. I'm expect a continuation off of this, and then we're gonna go target the next buys level, which was here. I wanted to hold for more, but I'm like, it is almost out of session, so it could just bounce up. But then again, it also gave us another gap here, which I think it might react off of, but it's okay. Anyway, then okay, if I get a reaction off of this gap, I'm gonna take it. So I closed, and then there was this 5-minute gap that was holding pretty strong, bro, for like some time. It was holding pretty strong for some time. Yeah, it was holding fucking pretty strong, I won't lie. Look at that, like it held from like, it only broke, it held up for like from like 5 past. Then I thought it was gonna get inverse here, it didn't. Inverse here, it didn't. Then eventually it did, like around 25 past 4, and this candle formed at 1:45. So I'm like, okay, fine, I'm gonna wait for you, I'm not gonna rush it. This candle didn't, then I waited for this candle to close. I'm like, okay, cool, boom boom boom, stops above here. Then I'm gonna target that buys level, and then boom, I could have closed, but then I closed like somewhere here, it would have been more. But I'm like, okay, let me just close, because I thought it was going to continue pushing down. Hence I put my alert here, but it didn't. I did move my stops to break even once it got here, put my stops to break even. Then I'm like, okay, but I'm like, I already made my profits back, my loss back, and some, so it is what it is. And then yeah, that was pretty much it. So at least I made back, I lost 101, then I made 150. So I made $49. So it's fine. So at least the account is still growing. So yeah, man, I'm happy. Like, I'm not mad. I followed my plan. Like, bro, like, I love this. Like, I'm consistent. Like, bro, it's like 33 trades now, and I'm okay. I guess I had to minus the other ones, but it's like probably 20 trades of doing the same shit over and over. And now it's just like second nature. I don't need to worry about anything. Don't need to learn this. I just wait for my key levels to get hit, wait for reaction over that, and then take that bitch up or down. So yeah, 58. So the account is like at 400 and something now. But you just see on the thumbnail, I guess, or I don't know. I'll try and put it up here. And then yeah, that's pretty much it, bro. So today is Wednesday. We'll see what Thursday presents us. So this week currently, I don't know how much I'm up. I don't really care about the P&L. I just focus on, I'm mentioning the P&L now, but I mean, like, I focus more on, like, did I execute what I was supposed to execute today? Did I get the market direction right, the daily bias right? And then that's it. Yeah, just building this account slowly but surely. Anyway, that's it. See you guys tomorrow if there's a trade. I almost didn't take a trade today, but here's what it is. Gotta be patient.